Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Fever FM.
Hi guys, welcome to Unplugged and my name is RJ Urpin. दोस्तों today I have someone very special. मैं जब इनका interview लेती हूँ, I always say this and I cannot stop saying the fact that this show Unplugged had its first episode with Shalmali, and from 2014 to 2021 इस शो ने तो भले इतने सारे आर्टिस्ट इतने सारे चेंजेस देखे होंगे, लेकिन एक ट्रू ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जो मैंने देखा है वो इस लड़की में है. एंड देयर इज सो मच टू टॉक अबाउट हर जर्नी, अबाउट व्हाट शी फील्स अबाउट म्यूजिक राइट नाउ, एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी. शाल्मली, हाउ आर यू डूइंग?
I'm so good and I think I'm doubly good क्योंकि तेरा मुंह देखने मिल रहा है यार मुझे. भले Zoom क्यों ना हो, but I'm seeing you. Urman, you're fantastic, man. Really, like it's so nice to be able to talk to you through your show. So I'm just happy.
See, I just want you to know that आधे घंटे पहले और आधे घंटे बाद ये जो मेरा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है ना, इसको बहुत वक्त लगा. I decided today I'm going to dress up for Shalmali totally. So there's hair and makeup done by yours truly.
Oh, and it's happening, huh? You totally nailed the getting ready part of this.
But genuinely so happy for the way you have expressed yourself through music. Shalmali, please मुझे ये बताएं, this is the first question that I'd like to start with, that you have had such a successful career in the film industry with all top songs. सारे गाने जो आपने गाए हैं वो हमेशा ही बहुत बहुत कैची रहे हैं. There has been some of my most favorite numbers that have been sung by you. I'm going to add Pareshan, Shairana, the romantic types, and then Baby Ko Base Pasand Hai kind of songs. How did you decide that अब इसे एक बैक सीट लेकर अब शाल्मली इस प्रोडक्ट को मुझे आगे लाना है, एंड आई वांट टू मेक श्योर दैट आई पुट इन मी फर्स्ट?
जब हम सक्सेस के बारे में बात करते हैं तब वी आर ऑलवेज मेजरिंग सक्सेस एज हिट गाने या कितने ऑडियंस के सामने गाया है, YouTube पे व्यूज कितने मिले हैं गाने को, ऑल दीज थिंग्स मेजर सक्सेस. पर मेरे लिए इन द ट्रूएस्ट सेंस आई फील लाइक जब मैंने अपना इंग्लिश एल्बम लिखा और उसको रिलीज करने का सोचा और अब जाकर वो रिलीज हुआ है, तब मुझे लगता है कि अब मुझे सक्सेस महसूस हो रहा है, एक अकम्प्लिशमेंट महसूस हो रहा है. एंड दैट वाज ऑलवेज समथिंग आई वाज सीकिंग. चाहे मुझे 10 साल लग गए वो करने में, काफी देर लग गई ये डिसीजन लेने में और ये करने में, पर अब जो मैंने ये एक्सपीरियंस किया है, ये फीलिंग ऑफ पुटिंग डाउन योर थॉट्स एंड योर इमोशंस इनटू म्यूजिक दैट यू हैव पेन्ड, जिसके लिरिक्स कॉम्पोजिशन मैंने की हुई है, तो दैट फीलिंग ऑफ अकम्प्लिशमेंट इज सक्सेस टू मी. तो भले ही बहुत सारे अमेजिंग गाने गाने का मुझे मौका मिला बॉलीवुड में, एंड आई एम रियली ट्रूली ग्रेटफुल फॉर दोज अपॉर्चुनिटीज दैट केम माय वे. जो एक इनिशियल ड्रीम थी मेरी, वो फिल्मों में गाने की नहीं थी. वो जो इनिशियल ड्रीम थी वो ये थी कि मैं अपने खुद के गाने कब लिखूंगी और वो कब एक ऑडियंस के सामने गाने का मौका मिलेगा. तो आज इस शो पर to sing those songs to you unplugged is making me very, very excited.
I'm so happy, really. And when I speak about this word transformation in its truest meaning, आपने अपने गानों को एक बहुत ही अलग सी दिशा दी है, which I feel Shalmali is so important right now in the current scenario. You just said it that एक गाने को हिट होने के लिए बहुत सारी चीजें रहती है, लेकिन when somebody who composes, writes a song, feels it the most is when the song just hits the right chord. I think you have done a fabulous job with 2X Side A. The next question obviously is Side A, 2X Side A. Tell me everything about this name. I have so many questions.
ओके, तो एक तो पहले एल्बम का नाम होने वाला था 2X पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2. हाँ, 2X क्योंकि आई फील लाइक उसके काफी सारे रीजंस है 2X होने के लिए. One is that हमने सोचा कि ये एल्बम हम 2 पार्ट्स में रिलीज करेंगे, एक साथ 12 गाने नहीं रिलीज करेंगे, इसीलिए it comes in 2 parts. उसमें Love You Double नाम का एक गाना है, so I think double to play of words. And chorus जब भी हम lyrics लिखते हैं तब chorus end का chorus double chorus आता है, तब जब lyrics लिखे जाते हैं तब 2x ऐसे लिखते हैं, you know, a lot of people write it like that. So it's a nice way of, you know, the significance of the word, the number 2 and 2 times as much love, like that is one thing. There's a lot of love put into this album, and it just means that it's with 2x love. तो उसके लिए 2x ये नाम सोचा, फिर पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 होने वाला था, तो ये एल्बम होता 2x पार्ट 1. पर मैं जब ये न्यूज अपने भाई को दे रही थी, मेरा भाई अमेरिका में रहता है और मैं उसके साथ फोन पर बात कर रही थी, और मेरे से 8 साल बड़ा है मेरा भाई. I was telling him about, hey, I'm releasing an album, it's in 2 parts. और I think वो जो side A side B hit the spot because I was like, मैं उस generation की हूँ और मेरे भाई का कुछ तो contribution बनता है इस album में, because उसकी वजह से मैंने English गाने सुनना शुरू किया. So we went with it. I think I like the sound of it also.
Our first interview that happened, मैंने हमारा जो फोटो है उसे post किया था, and my sister and my sister's friends, they are all the same batchmate as you are from Xavier's. So Vrushali, who's a friend of yours as well, she messaged me saying, do you know that this is not Shalmali. Shalmali is somebody who is crazy about English music, and we know her from college because of her Western style and all of that. And I was like, no, what? This girl, are you serious? And I'm really happy to see that, you know, you bringing that important side of yours so much in front, you know. And Shalmali, मेरे ख्याल से ये दिल से निकली है बात, तो शायद इसीलिए बहुत खास रहा है ये album. I want to move on to the first song, which I really enjoyed, which was Language. So tell me something about this track, and why is this track so small?
एक तो ये जब ये ट्रैक का नाम ही लैंग्वेज इंट्रो इन ब्रैकेट्स ऐसा है, तो ये सबसे लास्ट लिखा गया एल्बम में गाना. और Sunny MR, who is the producer of the album, it was his idea to have an intro to the album.
Okay.
He said that we should have a track which just introduces the listeners to the kind of sound that they can expect in the album, you know, एक genre establish करने के लिए. तो it was always Sunny's idea to have this song. So even the writing of this song began with the track. तो हम सब ऐसे ही स्टूडियो में बैठे थे और ये मैंने 1-2 बार रिकॉर्ड किया और सनी ने कहा बस अभी मैं उसको यूज करूंगा. And then he built that track around that riff, that vocal line. और जैसे ही ट्रैक बन गया, he's like, now write your song over this. तो ये एक ऐसा गाना है जो पहले ट्रैक बना और फिर उस पे मैंने लिरिक्स लिखे. बाकी सारे गाने मेरे लिखे हुए थे जो, you know, I sat in the studio with the boys and we made songs out of it. But this song, when I heard the kind of groove that was happening, I felt like अगर ये sonic introduction है album का, then lyrically also it should be me coming out as मुझे क्यों इतनी देर लगी to put this album out, to put out English music, and all the things that went on in my head for all these years before I put this out. So, and the name of the song is Language, क्योंकि मेरा अब तक जो नाम बना है इंडस्ट्री में वो हिंदी गानों के लिए बना है.
So we were talking about language and this being the intro, लेकिन ये बहुत rarely होता है, right? एक album के लिए intro गाना create करना. What a cool concept this is.
Actually, Urban, you know, काफी सारे English albums में बना है intro. There's a lot of like अभी Jasmine Sullivan का एक Hot Tales करके एक album आया, उसका भी एक intro है, छोटा intro होता है, and it's not like a full-fledged, it may not be a full-fledged song. और सनी का पहले से मानना था कि ये इंट्रो जो बनाएंगे वो छोटा ही बनेगा. It will not be a full track, it will just be something to get the ball rolling. so that you're in a mood. Anyway हम एक गाना रिलीज नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम 6
Right.
गाने रिलीज कर रहे हैं, तो एक माहौल बनाते हैं.
Correct.
So एंड मैंने तो सीधा अपने लाइव शो के बारे में सोचा. मैंने बोला हाँ सही है, मेरा लाइव शो स्टार्ट हो सकता है इसके साथ.
But seriously, what a brilliant tune that is. The entire oh my God, it has a ring like, and it's so haunting. मतलब you want to listen to it, you know. मतलब आप ऐसे काम करो suddenly.
ये क्या?
Just that's how it felt. It's such a cool one, yeah,
Cool.
really. शाल्मली, जब हम आज के जमाने की बात कर रहे हैं, when we speak about independent music, a lot of people come up with an independent song, just one song. You managed to get an entire album out, which is just a side A, and there is a side B
Yeah.
that's coming.
Yeah.
So how did you think about creating an entire album? Because हर गाने को उतना importance मिलना, फिर हर गाने में उसका एक video बनाना, या फिर promoting it in a certain way. Were these thoughts that were going on in your mind as well?
You know, Urman, I decided to do an album क्योंकि honestly, like, this is the first reason why I made an album. मुझे खुद को प्रूव करना था कि मेरे से ये हो सकेगा या नहीं. एक दिल में एक मेरी ख्वाहिश थी कि एल्बम होना चाहिए. सिंगल गाने नहीं, एक एल्बम होना चाहिए. तुझे आएगा क्या एल्बम लिखने? Will you be able to do this? Will you be able to do it again and again and again and again? And that was something I needed to prove to myself, that if I am going to call myself a singer-songwriter tomorrow, then at least 10 लिखे हुए गाने होने चाहिए. And that was something I wanted to prove to myself. But when I heard कि गाने बन रहे यार, मजा आ रहा है, और inspirations आ रहे हैं, और गाने लिखने का मन कर रहा है, I was like, this should be an album. It cannot be singles. अब बात आई गाने, कितने गानों को importance मिलेगा और उसका promotion कैसे होगा ना. Every song cannot be a single. मेरा ये मानना है. Not every song has the potential of being a single.
Yeah.
सब गानों का वीडियो होना जरूरी नहीं है. मतलब we've seen this happening everywhere around the world कि जब एल्बम रिलीज होता है उसमें एक सिंगल होता है जिसका वीडियो बनता है. Maybe if some other song picks up, you get a video to it much later.
Correct.
And I do feel like I may do that, because Love You Double जैसे गाने के लिए बहुत streams. It's doing very well on streaming. Like people actually listening to the music. जो मतलब एक इतनी बड़ी accomplishment महसूस होती है ना उसमें, कि गाना बनाया है सुनने के लिए, देखने के लिए नहीं, तो और लोग गाना वो सुन रहे हैं.
Correct.
So it just makes me feel like, okay, now if you enjoyed the audio so much, I'll give you a video to it, So it was always in my heart कि मुझे album बनाना है, और I just want to see क्या होता है, देखते हैं यार. मतलब सारी चीजों का एक फर्स्ट टाइम होता है, तो ये मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम होगा एल्बम के साथ.
So लैंग्वेज की स्टोरी हमने सुन ली. What was the story behind Love You Double?
ये गाना, इससे फास्ट मैंने कभी गाना लिखा नहीं है मेरी लाइफ में. क्योंकि मेरी बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ एकदम जबरदस्त लड़ाई हुई थी उस दिन, और वो लड़ाई के बाद मैंने एकदम सही डिसीजन लिया. मैंने अपना बुक उठाया, पेन उठाया, वॉलेट लिया, फोन ऑन कुछ नहीं, and I went downstairs to a coffee shop. वो कौन सा coffee shop you should know? There's only one coffee shop I go to, Starbucks. So I went down and I just wrote like 3 pages of जो कुछ भी मुझे लग रहा था, मतलब उस फाइट के बाद. और घर आकर मैंने अभी तक उससे बात नहीं की है, पर मैं पियानो खोल दिया ये ऐसे और बजाना शुरू किया, और लव यू डबल बन गया गाना वहां पे. मतलब इट वाज लाइक, oh my god, we should fight more often, गाने बन रहे हैं.
I was just going to say that there are 2 things that came out of this, that when you fight you love someone double, and there's also a song that comes out of it. क्या बात है यार.
Correct. So that's literally how Love You Double happened. But the only difference is that I'd written the whole lyric to it, पर उसका जो format था, structure था, वो बहुत अलग था than what is in the released version. जब 2 साल पहले मैं बर्कली में समर प्रोग्राम करने गई थी, तब सॉन्ग राइटिंग शोकेस में मेरी सिलेक्शन हुई थी तब, और मेरे मेंटोर ने वो गाने को रीस्ट्रक्चर किया। सारा ब्रेंडल करके मेरी मेंटोर थी, उन्होंने कहा कि इस पार्ट को कोरस बनाओ, उस पार्ट को ब्रिज बनाओ, एंड राइट अनदर मेलोडी फॉर द कोरस. So she's the one who said that Love You Double should be the chorus. Mera Love You Double was the bridge of the song.
Right.
And she said, no, Love You Double has something about it which feels like you've arrived somewhere, you know.
Wow.
So write a new melody to this part and let's make that the chorus. So she actually helped rewrite that, restructure that song. So and she's very happy. I wrote to her recently, email भेजी मैंने कि मैंने गाना release किया, और so she's like, oh my god, this is so good. So it's amazing.
You want to sing a few lines for us, please, of Love You Double?
Yeah, I'm gonna play the chords that like I used while making the song. Are we stuck in a painting we've called paradise? Out of luck, a loss of words to describe. Are we done being each other's sweethearts? Time to run on our way, miles apart. My words that once to you were rain, did they come down on you like hail? I promise you now, I take a vow, I love you double, I love you double. I promise you now, I take a vow, I love you double. I love you double.
There's so much of love in this track. My God, I'm still trying to figure this out. There was a fight, then there is a song,
Yeah.
and there's Love You Double.
So I think like after the fight, I probably felt very guilty about why the fight happened. So I'm gonna love you double. Like if I couldn't so far, I'm gonna love you double this time. That's the idea.
Amazing, amazing. And I have really enjoyed the composition. इस गाने में वो जो exact love वाली feeling है ना, it's just the ballad has come beautifully. Really, really love it. आप नोटिस करेंगे कि शाल्मली का वेन्यू भी है जो चेंज हो चुका है, बट शाल्मली आई लव दिस सेटअप.
Thank you, yeah, thank you.
So while we were discussing about Love You Double, एक गाना है जिसके बारे में I really want to talk, and this is such a beautiful collaboration of you and Sunidhi Chauhan. Oh my God! Let me first begin by saying that you gorgeous women, what did y'all do? What is that video? Oh my God, breathtaking video. Seriously.
Thank you, yeah. Thanks so much. It's like a dream now that I think about it. It's like, how the hell did this happen? Because she's Sunidhi Chauhan, right? And you know how much like I look up to her, and I idolize her. She's incredible, and all that, जो एक feeling थी कि wow, Sunidhi Chauhan, वो सब music related थी इस collaboration के पहले. But it's gone beyond that. Now that I've gotten to know her a little closely, my respect and admiration and like the wow factor about Sunidhi Chauhan has gone off the charts. Like it's somewhere else now. Because वो इतनी अलग, she's just alag. She is just plain simple different from anyone else that I have ever come across in the music industry in India. Because she's so secure, and the security that she feels in her art and the craft that that we see her doing, she's just secure. और वो देखने मिलना इतना rare है, because at some point everybody starts comparing themselves with someone, or where they stand, what they should be doing, what they have done, what they're going to do. Or with Sunidhi na, you never see that. It's like, I love this, करते हैं, चलो करते हैं, बड़ा मजा आएगा वो. She's like that, yeah. Can you believe it? Like when I sent her Here Is Beautiful, मैंने WhatsApp पे गाना भेजा था, and she said, "Kitta, it's such a beautiful song. Wow. So, oh, you wrote it for your boyfriend. Oh, how sweet. That's so cute. You want me to sing it with you? But isn't that odd? Like, if it's a gift for your boyfriend, then why you want me to sing it?" So I was like, no, the gift will be awesome. No, if you sing it. So she, so, I mean, ये कितनी सीधी सी बात है, the conversation that I had with her was really like a very casual, simple conversation about a song I was making as a gift for my boyfriend. And she was okay singing it. She came here in this room and I dubbed her with very bad latency, and very, like, my machine on that day was not working well. Otherwise it was fine. जब मेहमान आने वाले रहते तब मेरे मशीन को कुछ तो हो जाता है.
मशीन बेइज्जती कर देता है जैसे इंटरनेट कर रहा है. Correct.
So she is, क्या मैं बोलूं. And then, like, the video that you're talking about, I mean, she's been a part of the entire thing, from what we should do for the video, whom should we work with, the kind of costumes we should be wearing. She wanted to be involved in all of that. She didn't take a back seat anywhere saying that, oh, just tell me where I have to come and what I have to do and I will do it. Or that, no, I will not do this or that. There was always, and I have immense respect for her, so there was always, her opinion that I sought at every point, because it was our baby. It wasn't just mine. And she took that kind of interest. Yeah, I mean, it amazes me that something that's essentially a song that will be in my album, she was so open and about giving her all to it. It's unheard of. I mean, मैंने तो नहीं देखा है किसी को इतना प्यार देते हुए.
Choosing, I mean, not just saying choosing, but the fact that thinking of her for an English song and it going so naturally beautiful. I mean, it just she is so versatile that Hindi गाना हो या फिर कोई English गाना हो, वो इतने आसानी से गाई हैं. And you guys just, it felt like, there was something just, I like the name of the song, Here Is Beautiful. It literally felt that here is something beautiful. And I also like that, ये एक ऐसा गाना है मेरे हिसाब से that हर किसी का अपना एक version होगा. When you hear the song, you can listen to it for a very, very different reason. Like you wrote it for your boyfriend, and even Sunidhi saying that, oh, but you've written it for your boyfriend, and why do you want me to sing it with you? And then when you hear it, you just feel like, being in that present moment and feeling fabulous about yourself, which is just so amazing. When did you guys shoot this?
We shot it in March.
Okay.
First week of March. So अभी shoot किया, फिर अगले महीने हमने release किया. So it pretty much happened in the whole pandemic situation. कब shoot करना है, कहाँ shoot करना है, and all that. And it's amazing. Jijivisha is the director of this song, and she is this young director. It is a directorial debut. Can you believe it? Such a beautiful video, but it's her debut. And she just said, let's just show how two women can enjoy each other's company and how they feel in nature. That's the feeling I get when I listen to the song. And I said, sure, that was not something I thought of while writing the song. But if it can be interpreted, like you said, in more than one way, अगर हर आदमी जो सुन रहा है उसको एक अलग, एक space मिल रही है उस गाने को सुनते हुए, then so be it. That's better. So I feel like the fact that we let the video be different from the initial idea of the song, I think helps us broaden the horizon of the song.
Let's listen to it, na?
Yeah. Here's to the time we spend laughing over sweet nothings, crying over old spills, fighting to keep the ship afloat. Here's to the time we spend wondering if we are moving far, arguing for nothing at all. Here is beautiful.
This is beautiful. This is really, really beautiful. You know,
Thank you.
I cannot imagine the happiness you must be getting when, you know, you're seeing your baby come to life like this. It's just amazing. What a feeling.
You said it. No, you exactly said what's in my heart. Yeah, it's like एक बच्चा पैदा हुआ है और उसको बहुत अच्छे कपड़े पहनाए हैं, बहुत अच्छे बाल बनाए हैं और एक टिक्का लगाया, नजर ना लग जाए और वो दुनिया देख रही हो बच्चे को अभी. You know, it's literally like that, this song for me.
Shalmali, हमारा एक मेन पर्पस था इस इंटरव्यू का टू यू नो गेट यू टू टेल अस एवरीथिंग अबाउट द मेकिंग बिहाइंड दिस ब्यूटिफुल एल्बम एंड आई एम so happy that, you know, you shared your stories. You had so many things to open up and tell us. We really wish you all the best. आपके हिंदी गाने तो हमने हमेशा ही एंजॉय किए हैं. We have always, you know, had a very different angle to every song. In fact, I still say this on my show, one of the most weirdest and most amazing possible song that you had sung was singing a very groovy version of Balam Pichkari or Lat Lag Gayi. I will never get over those very, very cool blues and pata nahi kya chal raha tha when we were doing an unplugged. But this is a whole new chapter, and that's how much I respect what you do, because every time I meet you, there's something new to talk about, which just makes you such a fabulous artist. So thank you once again.
Thank you so much, Urman.
Thank you for being on Unplugged. And as always, we look forward to your side B very soon.
I can't wait for you to listen to side B. It's a lot different from side A. It's more groovy, and I just can't wait. I've been listening to the tracks on my computer, and I'm like, कब release करना है, अभी कर लेते हैं release.
How cool is that? Thank you so much, Shalmali.
Thank you.